In Karnataka, diesel prices have surged by ₹2 per litre. This after hike in milk and power tariffs. The hike has sparked a political storm, with BJP launching a scathing attack on the Siddaramaiah government. The opposition is accusing Congress government of betraying common man, saying these price hikes are adding to the financial strain on households and businesses. We're joined by Deepak Bopana on this. Deepak, a very good morning to you. A diesel price hike in Karnataka, this after milk and power tariff hike. BJP has slammed the Congress government over this and have also planned protests. Take us through the details.
Well, yes, a very good morning. And yes, the opposition here in Karnataka definitely wants to corner the government like they have been doing. Ever since the Congress came to power, especially with the support of the guarantees, the BJP has been saying that the guarantees are going to put the state in a fix, especially in terms of finances, and how the Congress will be able to manage that has been a question mark. And with a series of increase in price, of either fuel this time or in the past stamp duty, we've seen in the past medical expenses that have gone up. We've seen water tariff that they've mulled over increasing. They've also spoken about an increase in milk prices, electricity prices, and especially fuel. This is the second time that the state government here in Karnataka has decided to, increase the prices. Last time in 2024, it was both petrol and diesel. This time it is just diesel. But when you say diesel price, of course, majority of the private vehicles may not be using diesel here in Karnataka. But then, most of the transport vehicles rely on diesel. And what that does is in turn increase the price of essential commodities as well. So the people, of course, will have to, get ready to shell out more, not just for diesel when they fill in their tanks, but also for the price of essential commodities that they purchase on a regular basis. And that's exactly why the BJP is saying that there's a need to create awareness, there's a need to protest. And today, at about 12 senior leaders, we are seeing especially the likes of B.S. Yediyurappa, who of course hasn't really been at the center of things. He has allowed the leaders to follow, to really take up various protests. But today it is under his leadership that the protest is going to begin. You're going to have very senior leaders like Sadananda Gowda as well join, and all the legislators are going to be at Freedom Park, and it's going to be an all-night dharna. This is going to be over the fuel price hike and the other price rises that I just mentioned. So it is going to be a tough day for the Congress, a lot of answering to do. Of course, they say that as far as the price in Karnataka is concerned is much lower compared to any of the other southern states, and they're saying that it is only to ensure that there is a fairness here, because when you compare prices with either Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Telangana or Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka is much lesser, and they're saying that this is really not a burden on the people.
All right, Deepak there reporting from Bengaluru. So BJP versus Congress as far as the diesel price hike is concerned. Thank you for getting us those details.